Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. This is the daily analysis of Nifty. The trading date would be 2nd of March 2021. Now, yesterday we said that there could be some sort of pullback, and I gave you the reasons why we could expect some sort of pullback. It's because due to this huge sell-off the previous trading day, and as expected, the market gave some decent pullback yesterday, right? So today it's kind of a different situation wherein the market demands you to be more dynamic. Why I am saying that is because there are chances basically the market to test these lows again today. There are chances that these are tested, and also there is a chance that this gap might be filled. You see what I mean? So you have to be dynamic, and what you have to do is you have to just check where the market opens today, whether it's going to open flat and try to go up, or what it is going to do. So you have to be thinking on those terms, right? Let me clear off these drawings. And if you go to 1 hour time frame, we have seen this fall. Okay, we are seeing this big fall, and then another fall here, and then another retracement. So the trend looks like it has to go down. Now the question is, as I said, the market can do something like this, where it does come down, up, and fill this gap here, and then starts coming down. Okay, that is also a very good possibility, I would say. And also it coincides with a nice trend line here, as you can see. So both the things match there, align there, and it's a perfect scenario for the market to test these levels and fill this gap, and then start coming down if it wants to. That's one scenario, and that is one I am looking at. If that happens, I will have to plan my trade accordingly. The another scenario would be, it's coming down from here, and it went up, and it can face resistance right at this point. It's not, the market is not obligated to fill this gap now itself. It is not at all obligated to fill that gap anytime as well. Okay, so there is no such obligation. It's just that market follows these things. That's what we are saying. So the market could find resistance right at this point and starts turning down. This could also happen. So that's the reason I told you that you have to be dynamic today and see what the market is saying in the live market, and then trade accordingly. Okay, so there is a possibility that it can do this. So it can go high and then start falling, or it can start falling as soon as it hits the first resistance, which is this one here. The bottom line is, be dynamic and be open basically, and try to understand, and don't have any sort of bias as such. So wait for the market to tell what it wants to do, and then take the trade. I hope this video helps. If you like it, share it with your friends, and subscribe if you haven't done yet, and give me a thumbs up if you like it, guys. Thank you.